Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to explain previous year JEE mains examinations from the chapter straight lines, of course straight lines and pair of straight lines both together. So these problems are very easy problems that even an average students also can solve. So generally all students will have an opinion that in JEE mains examinations all 30 problems are very difficult. Therefore even an average student cannot solve those such type of problems. They have that opinion, but it is absolutely wrong. There are certain problems will be there in which you can solve that. Even an average student also can solve such type of problems. So please concentrate on these type of problems so that you can get a respectable score in JEE examinations. Okay, not zeros or negative marks, not like that. You will get a respectable score. So welcome to today's problem. So the problem is here. A point on the straight line 3x plus 5y is equal to 15, which is equidistant from the coordinate axis, will lie only in which quadrant? So here options are given here. The first thing is, let us draw the graph x-axis, y-axis. The given equation is 3x plus 5y is equal to 15, that is x by 5 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. That means x-intercept is 5, y-intercept is 3. So this is the straight line. So x-intercept is 5, y-intercept is 3. Now you have to find out a point on the straight line which is equidistant from the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means what? X-axis, y-axis. So you have to find out a point on the line which is equidistant from coordinate axis, that is x-axis and y-axis. So the such type of point lies only on this angular bisector. That means this is an angular, either this is one of the angular bisector, another angular bisector is this. Okay na? So this is another angular bisector. So this is equal to y is equal to x, and it is y is equal to minus x. Okay. So here the point of intersection, this point is x comma y. Why? Because y is equal to x, no? So that point, whatever may be this point, x comma y, this is equidistant from the coordinate axis. Equidistant from the coordinate axis. Why? Because it lies on y is equal to x. So in this equation, so put y is equal to x here or x is equal to y. Substitute what you will get. So this is a 3x plus 5x is equal to 15. On the whole, x is equal to 15 by 8. Therefore, y is also 15 by 8. Therefore, your point is 15 by 8 comma 15 by 8. So this is a one of such point, 15 by 8 comma 15 by 8. There is another chance is also there. That means if you produce this line, so it is somewhere it will intersect here. So this is y is equal to minus x line. Y is equal to minus x line. Somewhere it will intersect here. Y is equal to minus x line. So this point belongs to Q1. Another chance is also there. It intersect in the second quadrant. Let us check at that. Y is equal to minus x or y is equal to minus x. Wherever y is there, substitute minus x. So we have to solve these two equations. That is 3x plus 5y is equal to 15 and y is equal to minus x line. Those two you have to solve it. Okay now. So let us solve it here. So this is a 3x, y value is minus 5x. So that is a minus 5x is equal to 15. So 3x minus 5x is equal to how much? Minus 2x. Therefore, this is a minus 2x is equal to 15. X is equal to minus 15 by 2. So what is the another point? So another point is a minus 15 by 2 comma 15 by 2. So this point is a minus 15 by 2 comma 15 by 2. That means a point on the straight line which is equidistant from the coordinate axis will lie on, means there are 2 points. One is 15 by 8 comma 15 by 8 which belongs to first quadrant. Another point is minus 15 by 2 comma plus 15 by 2 which belongs to the second quadrant. Okay now. So these are the 2 points only which lie on the line and which are equidistant from the coordinate axis. Okay, na? So very easy problem. This is such type of problems are also giving in the competitive examinations like IIT, JEE. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. So welcome to the second problem. So the second problem is two vertical poles of height 20 meters and 80 meters stand apart on a horizontal plane. Okay, horizontal plane. The height of the point of intersection, this is not horizontal plane, it is horizontal line. The height of the point of intersection of the lines joining the top of each pole to the foot of the other from the horizontal line is. So here try to understand this problem. First of all, there is an horizontal line. So this is an horizontal line. Its equation is not given. Two vertical poles of height 20 meters and 80 meters stand apart on a horizontal line. So there are two vertical lines. So this is a one line, another line is this. So this is a 20 meters height and it is 80 meters height. Both are vertical lines. Now try to understand this. The whole problem is in this line only. The height of the point of intersection of the lines joining the top of each pole to the foot of the other. The top of the each pole to the foot of the other. So here also it is a top of the pole and it is a foot of the other pole. This is point of intersection. This is a point of intersection. He is asked to find out what is the height of this point of intersection, h. Then how to find out? So question is very clear. There is a horizontal line. On that line, there are two poles are there. So one is of height 20 meters, another one is of height 80 meters. So here this comes under actually heights and distances problem in trigonometry, but using this our straight lines concept also we can solve this problem very easily. Comparatively that we can solve here very easily. How to solve it? So this total frame I will put it in a coordinate plane. So let us call it as this is a y axis vertical line. Let this horizontal line be x axis. Horizontal line be x axis. Let the first pole coincides with the y axis. First pole coincides with the y axis. Now, what are the coordinates of this point? So, what are the coordinates of this point? So, x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 20. Okay, now? Right. What are these coordinates of this point? Here we don't know the x coordinate, but y coordinate is, so let us call it as a x1. So this x1 coordinate we don't know and the height is 80. So that is x1 comma 80. Right. So and this point is equal to, and this point will be, so x coordinate is we don't know, that is x1 comma y coordinate is 80. So this y coordinate is 80. Sorry, this point is 80 comma 0. This is lies on 80 comma 0. So that length is that height is this is equal to, on x axis y coordinate is 0. So the length we don't know. So this is equal to this length 80. No, we don't read the distance between those two poles is not given. That means this length is not given. So this is equal to x1 comma 0. So this point is x1 comma 0. Right, very clear. So everything is clear. So if we let the point of intersection be x comma y, that point of intersection is x comma y. So if you find out the y value, so this your height is nothing but y value. Then how to find out? Very simple. So if you find out the equation of OA and AB, if you find out the equation of OA and OB, AB, and if you solve those two equations, the point of intersection will come. Out of that, in the point of intersection, y coordinate is nothing but your height. Okay. So first I will find out the equation of OA. Now what is the slope of the line OA? Slope of the line is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is equal to 80 by x1. Okay now. So therefore, what is the equation of the line? Y is equal to mx. This is equal to y is equal to 80 by x1 into x. Put it like that. Now, equation of you call it already A is over, no? You call it as C. Equation of BC. So equation of BC, so here x-intercept is x1 and here y-intercept is 20. So x by A, that is x by x1 plus y by B is equal to 1. X by x1 plus y by 20 is equal to 1. X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. From this equation, x by x1 is nothing but y by 20. X by x1 is nothing but y by 20. Substitute here y by 80 plus y by 20 is equal to 1. Okay now, 80, 20, LCM is 80. So multiply with 80. So here we will get y plus 4y is equal to how much? This is 80. Y plus 4y, that is 5y is equal to 80. So y is equal to 16. So this is equal to 16. Y is equal to 60. That means the height, so here height y coordinate is 60. No need to find out x coordinate. So therefore, so the point of intersection is at a height of 16 meters from the horizontal line. So very, very easy problem. The only thing is find the equation of OA and find the equation of BC and solve it, you will get the answer. Okay na? So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to this problem. So this problem is also a very, very easy one. See here, if a straight line passing through the point P minus 3 comma 4 is such that its intercepted portion between the coordinate axis is bisected at P, then its equation is a very easy problem. This is a, so we can solve within minutes you can solve it. Then its equation of a straight line passing through the point P minus 3 comma 4. So actually you can do the option verification. Wherever x is there, substitute minus 3, and wherever substitute y is there, substitute 4. So you can get here, see here minus 9, minus 16, minus 9, minus 16, minus 25, plus 25, 0. So if you substitute here minus 12, minus 12, minus 12, minus 12, minus 24, plus 24, 0. So if you substitute here minus 3, minus 4, minus 3, minus 4, minus 7, plus 7, 0. So if you substitute here 4 into minus 3, minus 12, 3 into 4, 12, minus 12 plus 12, 0. That means the point P is satisfying all the equations. So therefore, there is no question of any option verification. There is no elimination process here. So all equations are appears to be correct. So we have to find out the complete solution, right? Then how to proceed here? So there is a line. So he is saying that he is a line. Very easy one. This is the intercepted portion between the coordinate axis. This is a AB. Then its middle point is given, that is a P minus 3 comma 4. Okay now. So very easy one. Let it x-intercept is a comma 0 and y-intercept is B, therefore 0 comma B. So what is the midpoint of this? A by 2 comma B by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 4, A is equal to minus 6, B is equal to 8. From these equations we can see, therefore equation of the line is A by minus 6 plus Y by 8 is equal to 1. So minus 6, 8, LCM is 24. You can multiply with 24. So here minus 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. So if you take the 4x minus 3y plus 24 is equal to 0. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. So very, very easy problem. This is a given. So here P is the midpoint of AP. Okay. So So very such easy problems are also giving. Okay, I hope that you understand the solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to this problem. So it is also a very easy problem. This is if in a parallelogram ABDC, the coordinates of A, B, C are respectively very clear. A coordinates, B coordinates, C coordinates are given. Then the equation of the diagonal ADE. So you don't believe that this type of problems are also giving in JEE mains examination. So this is a parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram ABDC is saying, not ABCD, ABDC. Remember that. So here A coordinates is a 1, 2. B is a 3, 4. ABC, carefully. So ABC is 2, 5. Then he is asked to find out the equation of ADEs. Very nice, very easy problem. The equation of AD easily we can get. So to find the equation of any line, we want a point and a slope, otherwise any 2 points present on the line. So join this BC. So therefore in a parallelogram the diagonals bisect each other. So what is the midpoint of BC? So this is a midpoint of BC is this is a 5/2 comma 9/2. So that is a x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So then we can find out the equation of the line passing through this point AO. Otherwise you can find out the coordinates of D. Okay, so you can find out the coordinates of B x comma y. So this is given by x plus 1 by 2, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 is equal to 5/2. This implies x is equal to 4. y1 plus y2, that is y plus 2 by 2 is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to how much? 9/2. So this implies y is equal to 7. Therefore the point D is 4, 7. Now you can substitute these values in the given equations and you can verify the answer. Otherwise you can find out the equation of the line, that is y minus y1. So you call it as x1 y1. y minus y1 is equal to y2 7 minus 2 5/4. This is a 3 into x minus 1. So this is a 3y minus 6 is equal to 5x minus 5. So if you simplify this, take this side or take otherwise this side. So this is equal to 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So option 1 is the correct answer. Very easy problem. Almost it is a board level problem, but it is given in IIT JEE examination. Okay. So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. So welcome to this problem. So the problem is here. A point P moves on the line 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. If Q 1, 4 and R 3, minus 2 are two fixed points, then the locus of the centroid of the triangle PQR is. Okay, very clear. Totally on the whole it is a triangle. So the triangle is PQR. Okay, now Q and R are fixed points. Q is a 1, 4. R is given as 3, minus 2. But P is not a fixed point. It is a variable point. It is moving that side, this side. But on the whole, the point P lies on 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Then the locus of the centroid G is. So when it is a P is moving on the line 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, there you will get a n number of triangles, PQR n number of triangles you will get a n number of centroids. All the locus of the centroids, he is saying that the locus of the centroid is a line. This is a line, the slope of the line, there is a parallel to x-axis or parallel to y-axis. Okay. So if you find out the locus of the centroid, afterwards we can conclude that. Let this locus of this centroid of the point be h comma k. Let the point P be alpha comma beta. Let the point P be alpha comma beta. What is the centroid of the triangle PQR? The centroid of the triangle PQR is alpha plus 1 plus 3 by 3. So, G I am telling. So, alpha plus 1 plus 3 by 3 comma beta plus 4 minus 2 by 3 is equal to H comma K. So, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 is equal to H comma K. So, this is alpha plus 4 by 3 is equal to H, beta plus 2 by 3 is equal to K. So, this implies alpha is equal to 3H minus 4, beta is equal to 3K minus 2, alpha value, beta value, we got. This alpha value, beta value lies in this line, no? 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to means what? 2 alpha minus 3 beta plus 4 is equal to 0. So, wherever alpha, beta is there, substitute here. Therefore, 2 into alpha. Alpha means how much? 3h minus 4 minus 3 into beta is equal to how much? 3k minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now. So, now you calculate this. So, this is equal to 6x minus 9k, 6h minus 9k. So, therefore, this is equal to minus 8 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 0. So, 6h minus 9k, 6 plus 4, 10. So, this is equal to plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line. What is the equation of the locus? So, this is equal to 6x minus 9y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now, therefore, this is a line neither parallel to x-axis nor parallel to y-axis. So, these two are not your options. Now, what is the slope of this line? So, this is equal to m is equal to minus 6 by minus 9. This is equal to 2 by 3. So, 2 by 3. So, with the slope 2 by 3 is the correct answer. Okay, now. So, very, very easy problem. This is I hope that you understand this solution. Welcome to this problem. The problem is, if a line 3x plus 4y minus 24 is equal to 0 intersects the x-axis at the point A and y-axis at the point B, then the incenter of triangle AOB, where O is the origin, is a very, very easy problem. It is a very direct problem also. This is a x-axis and y-axis. There is a line, it intersects the x-axis at A and y-axis at B. Now, he is asked to find out the incenter of the triangle AOB. We know the incenter of the triangle. To find the formula, I is equal to AX1 plus BX2 plus CX3 upon A plus B plus C. AY1 plus BY2 plus CY3 upon A plus B plus C, where x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are the vertices of the triangle, and A is the length of the side BC, and B is the length of the side AC, and C is the length of the side AB. So, here if you observe here, now we will find the, first of all we will find the coordinates of the vertices. So, here O is clearly 0, 0. How to find out A and B? So, here equation is given. What is the equation? So, 3x plus 4y minus 24 is equal to 0. This can be written as that is equal to x by 8 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. So, take minus 24 to that side, by 24 by 2. So, 3 8s are 24, 4 6 are 24. So, your A coordinates are nothing but 8, 0, B coordinate nothing but 0, 6. Okay, now, right, clear. So, here OA length is 8, OB length is 6, and E's length, AB length you can get it as a 6, 8, 10, that is a 3, 4, 5, that means it you will get 10 here. Otherwise, you can apply Pythagoras theorem. So, Pythagoras theorem means AB square is equal to OA square plus O square, that is 36 plus 64, 100, root 100, 10, that is a 10. So, everything is clear. So, if you observe here, 3, 2, 4, 4. So x coordinates are and 4, 2, 3, 4. So let us find out the x coordinates and y coordinates separately. So first I will find out x coordinate. So you call it as a x1, y1, x2, y2. This is a x3, y3. That is a x1 into the length of the opposite side. That means 0 into 8. This is a 0 into 8 plus x2 into length of its opposite side. That is a, so here also it is 0. 0 into 10. 0 into 10 plus x3 into length of its opposite side. That is a 8 into 6 upon 6 plus 8 plus 10, comma. Again, y1 into length of its opposite side, that is a 6 into 8 plus 0 into length of the opposite side, 0. Next one, 0 into opposite side, 0 upon 6 plus 8 plus 10. Okay now. So here you see here it is 0, it is 0, 8 6 are 48 upon 6 plus 8 plus 10. How much? 6 plus 8? 14. 14 plus 10, 24. So here also 6 8s are 48 upon 6 plus 8 plus 10. 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 10, 24. So this is equal to 2 comma 2. So the answer is clearly it is a 2 comma 2. Very, very easy problems. The in center is equal to, the formula is 2 comma 2. Otherwise, you can find out only x coordinate. So x coordinate is 2. Therefore, here only 3, 2, 4, 4. Here 2 is there. Like that also you can reduce the calculation part. Okay now. So very nice problem. That is such type of problems are you are getting in the JEE mains examination. So the my best suggestion is so you buy any one good book, previous year JEE mains examination book, you buy it and you solve all the previous year problems. Definitely you will get a confidence. Why? Because such type of problems are also asking in the JEE mains examination. Okay. Welcome to this problem. So the problem is a straight line through a fixed point 2 comma 3 intersects the coordinate axis at a distinct points P and Q. If O is the origin and the rectangle OPRQ is completed, okay, then the locus of the R is, okay. Let us draw a diagram so that you can understand the problem very easily. So this is a x-axis and the y-axis, it is origin. A straight line through a fixed point 2 comma 3 intersects the coordinate axis at a distinct points P and Q. So there is a straight line. So it passes through a fixed point 2 comma 3. It intersects the coordinate axis at in a order you have to take. So you have to take here P and here you have to take Q, P and Q. So that OPQR is rectangle. So he is saying that he completed the rectangle. So OPQR. So therefore OPRQ is a rectangle. He is asking to find out the coordinate, so locus of R. R will change. So let the locus be H comma K. Then how to proceed this problem? So when you are saying OPRQ is a rectangle, OPQRQ is a rectangle. So here it is a angle P is a 90 degrees, angle Q is a 90 degrees. So when you are saying this R H comma K, that this length will be H and this length will be K. That is a OP length will be H and the OQ length will be K. Therefore, the point P will be H comma 0 and this point will be 0 comma K. So here point P is H comma 0, point Q is 0 comma K. Then what is the equation of this PQ? So this is given by x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. X by A plus y by B. A means H, B means K is equal to 1. This line, that is a PQ line, passes through the point 2 comma 3. Therefore, so this is equal to 2 by h plus 3 by k is equal to 1. So your locus is this is a 2k plus 3h is equal to hk. So you can rewrite this in the h and k. Therefore, this is equal to 3x plus 2y is equal to xy. So 3x plus 2y. So this is a 3x plus 2y is equal to xy. That is the locus of the point. So here the whole problem lies when you are taking h comma k. Definitely everybody take h comma k. So you have to should get an idea that the length OP is h and OQ is k. Why? Because it is a rectangle. He is saying clearly. If it is not a rectangle, so we cannot take this OP and OK as h and k. Okay, since it is a rectangle, OP is h, OQ is k. So that the equation of the line we have taken and substitute in x plus 2 and y plus 3, automatically you will get the answer. Okay, now, right? I hope that you understand this problem. So dear students, I hope that you enjoyed today's class. With some more problems, I will stand before you. Until then, all the best.